Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Nifty closed about 0.5% higher, but there were many interesting things today. I can say different things. Number one, India VIX kept on falling. It broke even 11 on last Friday, but today India VIX shot up 9%. First, what is India VIX? The people call India VIX as a fear index, and usually VIX goes up means the fear goes up, and usually when the fear will go up, when the market falling, fear will go up, or sometimes if there is a very strong good news and markets are moving violently, and the short sellers will be scared, short sellers will be in fear. So that time the India VIX can go up. But today nothing. There was no such news flow and it's a normal market, but India VIX shot up 9%. So that is something different. And SGX Nifty indicating certain opening. I think it was around 18,230, 18,240, and we open exactly around there, and we did not even move 30 point plus or minus from those levels. So it continued to trade, and even in a normal market we used to get about 80 to 100 point intraday move, intraday correction, but even that has not happened today, and the maximum intraday fall was about 40-50 points. So that was a second surprising thing today. And the third thing, the first question is that why there was such a big gap up opening compared to Friday, and everyone thought that the good results from banking sector, Kotak Bank, IDFC Bank, and that was the reason. But finally the banking stocks actually underperformed. The Kotak Bank fell after the results, Central Bank fell after the results, RBL Bank fell after the results, and it was a fall. And what actually supported the market is the IT index. And of course, there was a news that windfall tax has been cut for crude oil, but that news came only today morning or yesterday evening. But SGX Nifty itself, yesterday itself it was so high. So these are all really very surprising thing about our market. So the first trading session in May and not started well for option sellers, those who have sold options last week. I'm sure they will be sitting in decent loss. That's because when the VIX shoots up so much in one day, they are bound to have some losses. Why? Because call premiums would have shot up, but put premiums would not have come down proportionally. So domestic institutions, I was thinking, at some point of time they will book profits, and today they book the profits. They book the profits for about 400 crore. So whereas FIIs have bought for 2000 crores. So I really do not know what changed their mind so suddenly. In just 3 trading sessions, 8,000 crore pumped in by FIIs. So 4 trading sessions. So in 4 trading sessions, $1 billion has been pumped into our market, and so there are some conspiracy theories are going on, which I do not want to talk. Let us see how long these FIIs are going to buy. So Nifty closed higher for 6th straight day, and I think there is some jitterness today only. So we will have to see. I think market should consolidate going forward. So let us see what happens. There are many important news flow this week, and the most important is a Fed meeting tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow ECB rate decision. And Europe inflation came slightly higher, but their core inflation excluding food and energy, that inflation has come down slightly lower. So now I think we are coming to the peak of rate hike season in the world. So let us see, and also not to forget, the biggest company in the world, Apple, will be declaring the results on Thursday, that is after the market hours, so that we will be reflected here on Friday morning. So everything is going well, but I think now the run from 16,800 to 18,200 is too fast and too furious, and so that's why today I think the VIX is gone up. So let us see what happens in the next few days. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.